Honestly, I know how frustrating it can get achieving the perfect wing liner look, especially if you're a beginner and you have shaky hands and you do not have the right product. So this video is about showing you how to achieve that using this product from Essence, which has a perfect tip, making it very suitable for beginners. So this is what it looks like in the hand, and it retails for between €2 and €2.79. You can actually find it on your drugstores, I think DM Rossmann, or online. Just check. So let's get into it. So start small. Start by drawing a very thin line from your upper lash line and extending outwards towards your temple. This is your guide for the wing. Keep it very short and also very subtle, and keep on checking in your mirror to make sure you're doing the right thing for a beginner friendly look. Now, next step is to start from the upper inner eye, and then you connect it to the other line you have drawn previously. And all you have to do is just go in with very short and very careful strokes. Now, feel free to make that as thick as you want once you have your outline, and just keep on working it and checking if it suits you. And that's about it. So this is what your end result should look like. And voila, that's your winged eyeliner. Hope you liked it. That's the before, and here's the after. If you like such beginner friendly makeup looks, please let me know. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe and share, and see you in the next video. Bye.